Hi, everyone. My name is Dasun Ratnasekar. So I'm just going to quickly give a brief overview of what we're going to talk about today. Our topic is going to be based on simplified solutions, enduring journey, and a meaningful impact. So we were thinking about what we wanted to talk about, and we wanted to really um, uh, talk about something that would have an impact on everybody who's coming here, right? So we want you to just first watch a video. It's a quick 2-minute video. Oh, I think All right, I'm going to hand the mic over to our CTO, Hisham.
Thank you. I don't know if I need a micro. I think we are a small group of people. Right? We don't need it, right? So, you see, guys, we just did demo what we have today. So, just we want to tell you a story where we're coming from. So, can you go? Okay. Can you hear me? Yeah. So, just to give you, like looking back, what we did, how we did this. So, my background is R&D. I was doing product management for almost 8 years in insurance business. And then I was looking for a new challenge, doing something else. So I looked at all, what was in the market, mainly in the cloud. And then I found Salesforce in 2015, and I loved it because it was aligned with what I was doing in my previous career, all metadata programming. Huh? So, and then get trained on Trailhead at that time. And then I started my own consulting firm, doing consulting. I used to work with Salesforce advisory team for different projects. And then, can you go to the next slide, please? And then actually, I was always, interested in doing products. So my DNA is products. And I was doing a small app just for my training. And then I was looking for something to inline edit a list of objects. I couldn't find it. One to the app exchange, nothing. To the ID exchange, nothing. And I started that project in 2016, right? So, and I published the first version on GitHub. And they had a lot of good feedback. I spent a lot of time with people. And then honestly, I started getting annoyed because this was a side project and was not making money from that project too. So I said, every time people want to install this app, they're asking me for support and all that. So what I did is I packaged it as an app exchange and put it for free on the app exchange. With that process, you click, boom, you install, and you're done. And then that was for almost 2 years, from 2017 to 2019, right? And then I was sitting in my house, got a call, and guess who is this guy? It's right here.
Yeah, thanks, Hisham. So, yeah, I'm Ray Pereiras, CEO and the co-founder of GridMate with Hisham. The story goes back. Basically, my background is I've been working in RevOps since right after college and all that. So I worked in Sri Lanka. I was in Sri Lanka. I'm originally Sri Lankan, and he's actually from Morocco itself. So I was working for a price sign company, which is Agoda. Moved to US in 2015. I have used different CRMs, but never used Salesforce. So what happened is I was in the US, then I worked for a company called, it's an ISV, which is GridBuddy, now acquired by Validity. So I was working there I started as an SDR, worked as a enterprise A, selling to enterprise orgs. And then what happened is I saw because of my tech, I'm not a techie, but I have it's in our DNA, I guess. So kind of understood that they use Visual Force page, and there was a challenge there, right? And at the same time, I'm an entrepreneur, always been one, and then I wanted to see, after I saw Salesforce, I fell in love with the platform. I saw App Exchange, that opened my eyes, a lot of my mind and all this stuff, where we can actually you can actually make money out of it, right? So saw the challenge as well, Visual Force page. Everyone was moving to Lightning. I wanted to build something on my own, but really didn't get a chance because I can't code. So I did my research on App Exchange, found Hisham, reached out to him on just a call on a day, got a demo, and I just right away said, "Hey, I want to work with you. Are you up for it?" And you know what? He's crazy as well. He just said yes. So after that, we started 2019, everything. We went commercial on the 13th of September. I still remember that. And then from there, as of today, it's almost 4 years, or it's over 4 years. We are pretty, we have, basically, we are doing well. Dustin will talk about it, how we have grown and everything. But what I want to tell you here is that Salesforce actually gives a lot of opportunity, not just you want to be an admin, you want to be a developer. No, there's more than that, right? A person like me coming into Salesforce as just doing sales and all that, saw the potential and grabbed it. So Salesforce give that opportunity, not just developing things or just doing consulting or things like that. So that basically open your mind. Think out of the box all the time. Be hungry, and Salesforce can really provide what you want. And yeah, so there's always opportunity everywhere in Salesforce. So stay hungry and be curious. So I'm going to give it to Dasun. He will talk about our growth and so on.
Thanks, Ray. Not going to reintroduce myself. So I head growth for GridMate. So I want to just give you guys a picture of where we are at today, right? And what our plans are, for the future. So it's been 4 years, right? 2019 is when we went commercial on the App Exchange. So today, even though we started off as a grid solution, we have over 30 components now. We moved well past grids. We have close to a little over 400 organizations using our product, over 80,000 users, right? And we've been averaging about 118% growth year on year. And as of today, we are a 7-figure ARR company, right? So the reason why we wanted to really talk about this is because we wanted everybody to sort of understand that there is always different paths that you can take in the Salesforce ecosystem, right? And the ISV path is, not many people go down that path, right? But it's something that can be very rewarding, and it's something that you can actually really use to make a huge impact in the Salesforce community. So in the future, right, we are planning on coming up with a lot of cool stuff, right? So we are a product that enhances the user experience, right? And we'll be coming up with, for instance, notes, right? We'll be coming up with the notes component that's basically, and we'll be also introducing some AI along with it, right? That's a buzzword these days, right, with Salesforce AI. So yeah, and it's so our company is essentially a result of the Salesforce ecosystem, right? As you saw, the idea was born on the Idea Exchange, right? It was commercialized on the App Exchange, right? And obviously it's growing right now thanks to our wonderful customers all in the ecosystem, right? So yeah, I mean, we're happy to take some questions, right? If you guys have any, right? Yeah.
So we are a UI UX package. The way how we built it, it's one package that contains all the components. So it's one package. You get, yeah.
That's how we work. So one product, we call it a solution actually. So multiple components on that. Yes, yeah, exactly.
So the grid made you have two things. You have components for admins, so they can drag and drop and configure this stuff, or a developer can extend that. Or now we're coming with more end user solutions, so even the end user can build their own stuff and have their own actions. Yeah.
No questions? Cool. So I just want to, because I want to bring the team here because we also, one of the things is we are driven by the community, right? So Hisham is actually, again, from Morocco. We have Hasna and Otman from Morocco as well. So I just want you guys to come up, and then Alison as well. Yeah, so just to, Alison, come up, please. Yeah. So again, another thing, this is the whole team, so we, yeah, 60, we are globally, we have, I'm Sri Lankan, Moroccan, I'm based at, we have a team in US, in Paris, because they are in Paris actually, and then also in Sri Lanka. And one of the things I couldn't tell you guys is, we were totally strangers, we didn't know each other at all. So that's how Salesforce brought us together and was able to create this this team, this company, and giving back to the community. So again, be open, be hungry, and Salesforce will always provide you something. Yep.
Amen.
Yep. Yeah. Amen. Thanks. Thank you.
Thank you, guys.